CAM, the lead oxide specialists.
Good morning everyone and welcome back to CAMLAND. Today I want to talk about the CAMLAND tour. What is the CAMLAND tour? When you have the first contact with us, for example, because you don't know CAM, it's the first contact with us, maybe you will ask to us an offer for ball mill, curing chamber and so on. We don't send you the offer because maybe you have to compare our price with our competitor and so on. But you have to understand that this type of equipment are the better investment for your company in the future. So you have to understand in the right way what are you buying. For this reason I will send you the CAM box, the toolkit for manager like you. Then we will make a conference call to understand better your needs, because for example, if you are searching something to replace in the cheaper way, CAM is not the better choice for you, and I suggest you don't buy CAM. If you want to produce the better lead battery in the world, you can choose CAM, because you know the plates and lead oxide are the heart of the lead battery. So after this point, if you want, I invite you to CAM. What is the CAMLAND tool? I will invite you here, and there will be a tool inside the CAM headquarters in the technical department, production plant. You will visit all our production department, because it's important to understand that all we made internally, from the welding, cutting, assembly, testing and so on. Then I will show you a real lead battery plant very close to CAM, and you will see by your eyes our ball mill MOP 30 ton during the real work, and more than 40 steam cure our curing chamber. So this is the CAMLAND tour, and if you don't know CAM, if is the first contact with us, please click on the link below and fill out the form to keep in touch with us, and I will invite you for this tour. This is Francesco Marchesi, live from CAM, the lead oxide specialist. Bye.
CAM, the lead oxide specialists.